Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the New Zealand flag. First, gather your essential materials, including a deep blue fabric, bright red fabric, and crisp white fabric. You will also need your trusty sewing tools such as needles, thread, and sharp scissors. Carefully measure all your fabric pieces to ensure correct proportions. This preparation is key for creating an accurate and beautiful flag. The foundation of the New Zealand flag is its striking blue ensign background. This expansive blue field beautifully represents the vast Pacific Ocean and the clear skies above the islands. To start, cut your chosen blue fabric to the overall dimensions you desire for your finished flag. This large blue rectangle sets the stage for all the subsequent elements, giving your flag its primary identity and deep, rich color. Next, focus on incorporating the historic Union Jack into the flag's design. This distinctive emblem, a quarter of the flag, is positioned in the upper left corner. It visually signifies New Zealand's significant historical connections and its heritage. Carefully cut out the Union Jack from your red and white fabric pieces, then precisely sew it into the canton of the large blue field. This step adds a crucial layer of historical meaning. Now, we turn our attention to the iconic Southern Cross constellation. This celestial grouping features 4 vivid red stars, each outlined crisply in white. These stars are strategically placed on the right side of the blue field, symbolizing New Zealand's unique geographical position in the Southern Hemisphere. Prepare these individual star shapes by cutting out your 4 5-pointed red stars and their corresponding white outline pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.